Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about the MV88 Plus Video Kit and how you can set it up for field recording. So I'm going to take my phone and our phone clamp, and I'm actually going to remove the knob, set that aside for now, open up the clamp a little bit, drop your phone right in, and keep squeezing on that. So you want to hold this in one hand. I'm actually going to take my Manfrotto Pixie tripod and put that where the knob just was, and this will actually tighten down the clamp. So make sure that you're squeezing with your one hand on the phone while you're doing this. And once you're all locked in, put the tripod down, and you can use the ball head adjustment here to present the phone to you. So you're going to take your microphone into the mic clip. And because we're going to mount this rotated, you want to make sure that the right is facing right, the left is facing left, and the black Shure logo on the mic is facing up, even though the mic clip will be rotated that way. So once you get there, drop it right into the shoe mount and lock that down. We're going to take our cable, plug the lightning in to the phone, and the micro B port to the microphone side. And now we're up and running. So let me show you the app here. There's a couple different ways you could set it up for field recording. Usually when you're doing field recording, you want to be in handheld mode like this. You want to use the ball adapter to get this nice and comfy. Presents the meters and the mic gain control to you even while you're recording, so you can adjust to anything that happens on the fly. Usually if you're doing field recording, it means you're going to manipulate the sounds after the fact. So if you press our flat mode in our DSP modes here, that'll turn off all the behind the scenes processing that's happening and let you do your thing. Just get it right off in the microphone. So you can go really wide with the stereo. It's a really nice, big, rich, immersive thing. You can get really focused in if it's something that you need a little bit more control or focus over. You can even get just the mono and get rid of the stereo aspect of it. If you're really close to something and want to focus even further on it, switch it over to mono cardioid. Regarding the limor, compressor, and the high pass, just leave them off because, again, we're going to be manipulating these afterwards. There's a 5-band EQ in the app as well, but we're going to be doing it afterwards. So leave all that stuff off. You can record right in our app, edit and share right from there, and name your files. And that's how I would set up the MV88 Plus Video Kit for field recording.